Oh yeah, I've just had an experiment with a bit of naan bread and I put some cheese with it. Just thought I'd see what it was like, you know, being a bit of a greenie. But look at that. That's some of that naan bread and I put cheese on top. Isn't that bloody marvellous? I wonder what that's going to taste like. Wow. I'll get back to you on that one, let you know. See you in a sec. Go, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Yeah, I'll put a bit of brown sauce on there. I'll just drop my biscuits. Yeah. Yeah, look at, oh, too much brown sauce. Oh, that'll still be alright, that. Oh, that's going to be bloody lovely. Old school me. Look at that. And that's just naan bread with cheese on. Mmm. Who needs a bloody washing up, eh? No, just kidding you. Yeah. Oh, God. This is where you need free hands again. Free arms, Chrissy. I'll tell you, it'd be bloody handy. I'll just have one little taste of it. Oh! That's a new one at home, that is. Oh my God. Flavour. A bit cheesy for you, Ollie. Hey, fella. I'll be back with you in a sec. Wow, this is brilliant. My God. I never thought I'd say this. Especially on a Friday. But this is better than fish and chips. I forgot I had that bread. Yeah, I've got a knife. I've got a fork here. I'm more sophisticated now. Top marks that. That's just a bit of cheese on that naan bread. Or should I say a bit of naan bread and cheese with my brown sauce. Beautiful. Oh. Oh, look. Cheese and naan bread. You're ready, fella. What do you think of that, fella? Oh, another bit. I've got to cut some up first, fella. Oh. Sat down now. Wow, that's special, that is. Cheap and cheerful. I'll see you in a sec. Hey, I'm back again. Oh. Oh, that's bloody wonderful. Yeah, just had Chrissy contact us. They're still waiting on getting their motor done. Yeah, I'll cut a bit more of that off for Ollie. Definitely need free hands, don't you all? But I don't care, I'll just grin and bear. Well, not grin and bear. I mean, I'm having a rough time of it, ain't I? You can see how I'm suffering. Yeah, look. Yeah, let's get that bit to Ollie. Look, there he is, look. Hey, old fella. What do you think of that, mate, eh? This is it with Ollie though. That's the way it's always been, me and him. We share my food. I always give him a bit of what I'm eating. Always. And it ain't done him no harm, has it? Oh, it's a bit windy, that is. Not the weather, the food. I'll get you number in a minute, fella. Yeah, so Chris is suggesting going somewhere else. But I'm going anywhere. As long as I can get some wood. Yeah, it'd be great. Port Barben or something. Somewhere like that or something. I don't know the area, but I'm beginning to learn now. This is a fantastic area around here. But I dare say Scotland isn't all. I enjoyed myself up at Lochdoon. Lochdoon! Yeah. You got to speak like that when you get up there. Lochdoon. I don't know if any of you been up there much. It's a proper wilderness place. Yeah, that's what you'd call it. I was just talking to that bloke on the push bike down the road I was on about earlier. And he was saying how his friend's just been up there doing it for 2 weeks. Just come back. But he's been in the wilds for 2 weeks. Said it was great. Which it would be, wouldn't it? I mean, I moan like bugger, but I'm loving it. I'm loving all this. Ollie's watching me now. He's going to say, when you gonna send me that next bit of bloody cheese? What would you call it? Cheese on nam? Nam or something? Nam bread? Anyway, I'm going to let you get on wheel Friday afternoon. I don't know what the time is. What time is it? Bloody hell, it's 2:10. Yeah, so I'm going to put a bit of racing on and watch it. I was looking at one, but I've gone right off it now. There's too many good horses in that race. It was called the Big Westerner, I think. But we know it's going to win the Gold Cup, don't we? Galloping is going to win. Galloping. But it could lose. Right, I'll see you all later. Have a good day. I don't mean that. And if you can't be good, be bad.